Hello my friends, this is Melanie from A Creatively Crafted Life, and today is a Blitz Your Kit installment. This is a collaboration where over a 2-month period we select a kit based on the current round's theme, and then the following month we share the projects that we make with those kits. So for the months of September and October we're focusing on fall, and I can't remember what else. I will leave the title here exactly what the prompt is. I am going to be focusing more on the fall component of it, and so I picked this particular kit from SCT Sampler from October 2021, and it features the Bungalow Lane papers from Paige Evans, some layered stickers, a greeting card. We have a Lawn Fawn stamp and some rainbow watercolor wishes paper, and at this point SCT was giving us some acrylic pieces with the word hello. So we've got that. Here's the stamp set. Let me sort through these and we'll go through the papers in a minute. Okay, from the Bungalow Lane we've got this pink, looks like a linen weave, and then a leafy floral in pink and blue, a geometric tone on tone, a quilt pattern, a harvest gold yellow hashtag in different shapes, and then a autumn floral. We've got green on green vines, and then the typical fall print with leaves, a couple tags on either side, kind of fun. Here's another leaf print with the coral tone on tone, the scallops, here's some hearts, and more leaves. Also from this collection I have this square piece of the 2x2 paper. I've got a project life card, and then we got a note card, which I think this is the first time I've ever gotten one of those with an envelope, so that's kind of fun. And then embellishments, these leaves, which are really cool. They're from crepe paper. And then we've got a couple of stickers. They look like they're epoxy, maybe. Epoxy stickers. They're like plasticky. I have one other one that says sweet thing. And then I've got some of the layered stickers. From the Lawn Fawn paper we've got the watercolor, and it looks like it was a paper pad because it is stuck together. Those are pretty. Great neutrals for cards or even for matting on a layout. Stamp set and the acrylic hello. So that is what I am working with for this month. Be sure to check back on the 15th of October for the projects that I made using this kit, and hopefully I will have bashed it. This is a hashtag collaboration, so be sure to click on the hashtag in the description or in the video title and check out what everybody else is up to. Thanks so much for hanging out with me, you guys. Until next time, happy crafting.